Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to drive massive traffic to your website without spending a dime on ads, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to use Google's Gemini AI to create Pinterest content that actually converts. And the best part, it's completely free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate scroll-stopping product photos and write Pinterest descriptions that get clicks. So let's dive in. Before we jump into the tutorial, let me tell you why this strategy works so well. Pinterest isn't just a social media platform, it's a visual search engine with over 450 million monthly users actively looking for products and solutions. The problem? Creating high-quality product photos and compelling descriptions takes time and often money. That's where Gemini comes in. This AI tool can help you brainstorm realistic product scenarios, generate professional photography prompts, write Pinterest-optimized titles and descriptions, all in minutes, not hours. And yes, it's 100% free to use. Ready to see how? Let's go. All right, step one. Head over to Gemini, that's Google's AI chatbot. I'll have the link in the description below. Once you're in, you're going to upload a photo of your product. In my example here, I'm using a portable power bank. You can see I've uploaded the product image right here to Gemini. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of just asking for a generic description, we're going to be strategic. We're going to ask Gemini to brainstorm a realistic scenario where someone would use this product and then create a professional photography prompt based on that scenario. Here's exactly what I typed. Brainstorm a scenario where this product can be used. Generate a professional photography image prompt for that. This is key because Pinterest users don't just want to see products on white backgrounds. They want to see products in action, in real-life situations they can relate to. So we're telling Gemini to think like a marketer first, then like a photographer, and boom! Look at what Gemini gave us. First, it created this detailed scenario about Sarah, a busy professional rushing to the airport. Her phone is dying, her laptop is low on battery, and she needs to stay productive. The power bank becomes her lifeline. This is perfect because it tells a story. And stories sell on Pinterest. Now scroll down and check out the professional photography prompt Gemini created. Look at how detailed this is. It's describing the angle of the shot, high angle, eye level, the setting, contemporary, minimalist airport lounge, the lighting, soft, natural window light, the composition, power bank actively charging devices with a professional in the background, even the color palette, muted grays, whites, and blues. This is the kind of prompt you'd pay a professional photographer to execute. But we're going to use this to generate AI images or give to a photographer if you want real photos. Either way works. The key here is the specificity. This isn't just a power bank on a table. It's a complete visual story. Now, step three, I took that exact photography prompt and fed it into an AI image generator. You can use tools like Midjourney, DALLE, Stable Diffusion, or even keep it in the Google ecosystem with Imagen. And here's what we got. Look at this beautiful, professional-looking image. You've got the power bank front and center, multiple devices being charged, a professional working in the background, that sleek, modern airport vibe, perfect lighting. This looks like it came from a professional product photo shoot, right? But it was generated by AI in seconds. And here's the beauty of this method. You can ask Gemini for multiple scenarios. Here's another one Gemini created. An outdoor camping scene. Same product, completely different use case. This lets you reach different audience segments on Pinterest. The camping enthusiast might not relate to the airport scenario, but they'll definitely save this one. All right, now we've got our stunning product image. Step 4 is where we create our actual Pinterest pin. Let me show you how to fill out the Pinterest form using content from Gemini. So what I did here is I went back to Gemini and I uploaded a screenshot of my Pinterest pin creation form. Then I asked, help me fill the Pinterest pin creation form for my portal charger product photo. And check this out. Gemini gave me 3 different title options. Number 1, never run out of power, the ultimate portable charger. Number 2, boost productivity, power up all your devices on the go. Number 3, high capacity power bank for business travel and office. All 3 are Pinterest optimized. They're benefit focused, they include keywords, and they're compelling. Then for the description, look at this. Gemini wrote a complete Pinterest description that hooks with introducing our sleek, high-capacity portable charger, comma explains the scenario from the photo, lists benefits, includes a call to action, and even added relevant hashtags. This is exactly what you need to rank in Pinterest search and get people clicking through to your website. Now, step 5 is simple. Just copy and paste Gemini's suggestions into your Pinterest form. Let me show you what the final pin looks like. For the title, I went with option 3, high-capacity power bank for business travel and office, because it's keyword-rich and specific to this scenario. For the description, I copied the entire description from Gemini. It's got everything: the scenario, the benefits, the call to action, and those important hashtags. For the link, this is where you add your website URL. This is how you drive traffic. When people click on your pin, they go straight to your product page. For tags, Gemini suggested these tags based on the content. I added them all because tags help Pinterest categorize your pin and show it to the right people. Pro tip, if you have a business account, you can also tag your products directly. This creates a shopping experience right within Pinterest. Just click Add Products and paste your product URL here. This is huge for e-commerce sites because it makes it easier for people to purchase. All right, before we wrap up, I want to give you some bonus tips to absolutely maximize your traffic from this strategy. Tip number 1, create multiple pins for the same product. Use Gemini to generate 5 to 10 different scenarios for your product. Each scenario equals a new pin, which equals more chances to be discovered. Tip number 2, use different image styles. Try the professional airport shot, the outdoor camping shot, a cozy home office shot. Variety helps you reach different audiences. Tip number 3, schedule consistently. Don't just post once. Use a tool like Tailwind or Pinterest's native scheduler to post multiple times per week. Consistency is key. Tip number 4, optimize for keywords. When you ask Gemini for titles and descriptions, specifically request that it includes high search volume keywords for your niche. For example, make sure to include keywords like portable charger, power bank, and USB charging. Tip number 5, test and analyze. Pinterest has built-in analytics. Check which pins are getting the most saves and clicks, then create more content in that style. Tip number 6, create pin templates. Once you know what works, create a template in Canva that matches your brand. Add your AI-generated images to these templates for a cohesive look. All right, let's do a quick recap of the entire process. Step 1, upload your product image to Gemini. Step 2, ask Gemini to brainstorm a scenario and create a professional photography prompt. Step 3, use that prompt to generate AI images or give it to a real photographer. Step 4, ask Gemini to help fill out your Pinterest pin form. Step 5, copy the title, description, and tags into Pinterest and publish. That's it. 5 simple steps to create professional Pinterest content that drives free traffic to your website. The beauty of this method is that it's completely free, Gemini is free, and many AI image generators have free tiers. It's fast, you can create multiple pins in under an hour, and it's effective. Pinterest is actively looking for high-quality, helpful content like this. Now I want to hear from you. What product are you going to create Pinterest content for? Drop it in the comments below, and I might even create a pin for you in a future video. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our free traffic strategies and AI marketing tutorials. We post new videos every week to help you grow your online business. I'll see you in the next one. Now go create some pins and get that free traffic.